Okay, we ask find the coordinate of A and B given the diagram. So as you can see, A and B are the point of intersection of the two circles. So find the equation of this and this, equate it together. And we know for a circle, the general equation of a circle is always x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal to r squared, where h, k, that's the coordinate of the center, is h, comma k, and r is the radius of the circle. And looking at these two circles, you notice that the two circles are congruent. As you can see, look at this grid line. It's the same, they're on the same grid line, the same. So they must have the same radius. And let me just assume that here is the center of this circle, of this one. If you count to the left and right, up and down, let's check whether they will have the same distance. That's the radius. This is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So from the question, they gave us this grid line to make our solution easy. So if we now assume that here is also the center of the second circle, we'll count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So they have the same radius. Don't make that mistake that the radius is 3. No, because from this you can see that I'm seeing 6 here and I'm seeing 2. So this is the origin 0. So if you count, you can see that each of this grid line is 2 units. Yes, this is 0, 2, 4, 6. So this is 2. This is 4, 6. Why this also 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the chord, remember, this is the center for the first circle. This is the center for the second circle. So the coordinates for the first circle is 4, 4. As you can see, trace down this h and this k. This h, which is 10. Why this is 4. So these are the coordinates of the two circles. You can see from the diagram that the radius is 6. Check. From 4 to 10, the gap is 6. So the radius is 6. So we now apply the formula general. So we have x for the first circle now, x minus 4 squared plus y minus 4 squared equal to 6 squared. So let's call it equation 1. Y for the second circle, x minus 10 squared plus y minus 4 squared equal to 6 squared, equation 2. And the fastest way to solve for the point of intersection, as you can see, I'm seeing 6 squared, y minus 4 squared, y minus. So we'll subtract, let's subtract equation 1 from 2. So we'll do x minus 10 squared, because this minus this is 0, this minus this is 0. So we have x minus 10 squared minus x minus 4 squared equal to 0, which is equation 2 minus equation 1. So that's what we did. So as you can see, this is difference of 2 squared. So this plus this is 2x minus 14 times this minus this is minus 10 minus, so is minus 6 equal to 0. So solving for that implies that x is 7. Yes. And you can see it seems it's correct because between 6 and 8 is 7. So for us to get the y coordinates, as you can see, the x coordinate of A and B will be 7. So let's get, and how do we do it? Choose any of the equations, either 1 or 2, and substitute the value of x as 7. So let's use the first one because it has a lower value. So using equation 1, so when x is 7 implies that 7 minus 4 squared plus y minus 4 squared equal to 6 squared. So I substituted equation, x equal to 7 in equation 1. So that's what I did. So let's solve for y. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 3 squared comes over. So 6 squared. We have y minus 4 squared is equal to 6 squared minus 3 squared, which is also difference of 2 squared. 6 plus 3 is 9. Y 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 times 3 is 27. So that's the result. Because I applied difference of 2 squared, 6 squared minus 3 squared. So we still continue. We are solving. Remember, we are looking for y. So we move the square to that side. So we have y minus 4 is equal to square root of 27. And we know square root of any number, it has two answers, plus or minus square root of 27. And we know square root of 27, there is a perfect square there, which is 9. So plus or minus 3 root 3. Therefore y is equal to 4 plus or minus 3 root 3. So we've gotten the value. So y has two answers, either 4 plus 3 root 3 or 4 minus 3 root 3. So common sense will tell you that the y value, the y coordinates will be we'll take the positive part because it's to give us a positive answer. Therefore, the coordinate of A will be 7, 4 plus 3 root 3, and coordinate of B will also be 7, but here it will be 4 minus 3 root 3. So these are the coordinates of A and B. So it's a nice and tricky equation. Thank you.